I'm Patrick, designer of the ROK Espresso Maker. I want to explain how I make a double espresso using our award-winning non-electric coffee machine. For this demo, I'm using coffee that's pre-ground specifically for espresso machines. Let me explain why the grounds are so important. This is the steel filter basket which holds the coffee. Above it sits the rubber seal, and above that the water cylinder. The filter basket is held in place by the chrome portafilter, but it's the coffee itself which creates the back pressure needed for great espresso, not the metal filter. So when you load the filter with coffee, make sure you tamp it down to create a smooth, even surface of coffee without cracks or gaps. I also warm the filter before adding the coffee. Lock the portafilter into place and sit your warm cup centrally on the base. Now pour in the hot water just off the boil. I like to slightly overfill the chamber to create a bit more pressure. Smoothly raise the arms until all the water has passed through the seal. Gently press down the arms to pre-infuse the coffee and pause to let the coffee swell. Now lift the arms to the top, then push down to squeeze the water through. The pressure you feel is essential to extract all the lovely oils and flavours. Ideally, the extraction should take around 20 seconds. If the pressure lessens, raise the arms and press down again. Gently ease off when the cup is full. Your double espresso should have a nice fine layer of crema on top, which varies in colour depending on the type of coffee you've used. Because I overfilled the cylinder, I'll squeeze out the remaining water into an old mug and chuck it. The grounds have already given up all their loveliness. The dry grounds left in the filter can be knocked out into a bin. If you have a garden, they make great compost. So that's how I do it. But remember, the ROK Espresso Maker allows you the freedom to make coffee the way you like it.